gonna take a stab at the bid here and try to get filled for trading next week contracts, guys. It's been helping so much. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm not predicting that we're gonna have a bullish day. I'm not predicting that we're gonna have a bearish day. I really don't know. I'm just a reactor. So I'm gonna wait for the market to give me a direction and I will take a trade. Morning, my fellow traders. Time is currently 6:26 a.m. 4 minutes before the market opens, and let me drop my sauce for what I'm looking at for today. So this is SPY on the 4-hour with EMAs running on here. Now these are just EMA clouds, so it looks a little bit different. But anyways, guys, whole point of why I'm showing you guys this is because check this out. So quick breakdown. Massive support here during December. Then when FOMC hit on Wednesday, Jerome Powell came in, massive sell-off on Wednesday. Then in the later days, come back up to retest that general area again for a rejection. Here we are again later on in life, January 2025, breaking back above. So we're bullish, back above this nice, what was a support, turned to resistance to now it should be a support here again. Almost tapping to close to all-time highs, but check the EMAs out. On a short-term time frame scale, even though it's the 4-hour, we're respecting this EMA. So who knows? Maybe we might respect it here again. I'm just looking for a respect. If we start to climb on down, I don't plan on taking any positions here, nor do I plan on taking a call position on this bounce of support for potential bounce play. That's not my kind of trading. What I will wait for is this. Either we hold the support and a break above this resistance for new highs, or we come below all these EMAs, especially this EMA cloud, break below the support, which will be ultimately bearish. Two nice signs of bearish because break below support, break below EMAs on the 4 hours, easy break and retest entry for some downside action. So that's what I'll be looking for. Whatever comes, I don't care. I'm not a predictor trader. I'm not predicting that we're gonna have a bullish day. I'm not predicting that we're gonna have a bearish day. I really don't know. I'm just a reactor. So I'm gonna wait for the market to give me a direction and I will take a trade. Now, with that being said, I also have Apple here. Apple looks amazing. Let me go on the daily. So here's Apple on the daily, and let me just clear all the EMA clouds. I could even turn off fibs, but just try to act like these fibs are not here, guys. Look at just the daily here. Double bottom here, all the way from over here. This is the double bottom. Last time we hit the low here, this could easily be a double bottom. Plus hammer candle, good volume. Bullish engulfing almost, good volume again. So market opens in one minute. So let me just throw back on all my charts and let's have an awesome day, guys. Let's see what we can catch today. And of course, if I do catch any trades, of course, I'm gonna show you guys. And also we're gonna go over yesterday's trades too as well, because here's yesterday's trades on SPY, and I also took Google too, which was an L, which we'll go over, and I only took a $50 loss yesterday. So really good. And let's see how this market opens today. So market's going very bullish here. I'm gonna take a stab at the bid here and try to get filled for 293 a piece. They're currently at 295, so I probably really should just buy the ask, but maybe we can get filled. So let's keep the bid on. So I'm gonna buy 2 of them for 290 at 293. All right, so we just got filled for 293 a piece. I'm in 2 of them. There we go. We got a nice push. Look at that volume, guys. Volume's kicking in here pretty strong. Now we're finally up 1.3%, which is $8, meaning we need to shoot for a 30% gain. We need to do this practically 29 more times. So guys, SPY just hit the top of a range here, and I'm gonna show you guys. So I gotta be very careful because look at where SPY's at on the 4-hour. I know this looks crazy because I got this indicator going on crazy, but guys, SPY is at this very top of this range. It just tapped it right now as we speak, as you can see here on the 4-hour. So I gotta be very mindful of that because this could be the top of SPY right here, and this could be easily a reject, which could affect my contracts. Of course, I'm gonna do my absolute best to hold for AMD contracts. My stop loss now is basically just at 9 EMA or below this 21 EMA, so it'll be very small stop loss. So we're gonna do our best to hold these, and let's see how much these can gain, guys. Okay, a lot of sellers are stepping in, so maybe we'll just sell there. Let's get out of here, guys. $8 loss, guys. I'll show you guys here in the vlog, but yeah, $8 loss. Let's fucking go. Good exit. One thing is, yesterday I didn't upload a vlog because my car actually broke down and I had to go get it towed after I ended up coming back home. It would not turn on for whatever reason. So around 6 p.m. took all night for a couple hours. Plus I had to go pick up a laptop and a whole bunch of stuff, guys, was going on. So no vlog, but what we will do is we're gonna show you guys yesterday's trades, which is not a screenshot. Let's go right into it. See, today is January 23rd. The time is current. No, this is also not a screenshot. I just want people to understand that I'm being very transparent. I'm a very transparent trader. So if today is the 23rd, then yesterday was the 22nd, correct? So here's all my orders from the 22nd to the 22nd of January 2025. So we took a loss of about $50 yesterday, a little bit over $50. I think it was like 56 or 52, something like that. But either way, took 2 Google contracts for a $15 loss here. 15, not 50, 15. guys, let's just dive into the chart to show you guys these trades. Just know, look, if you want to see how much money I made, you can add up all of this and let's just dive into charts. I don't really care about explaining how much money I made off of each trade. Just do the own math and just know I was down about $50 yesterday. I want to show you guys the trades that we took yesterday. I took 3 trades yesterday and I was down $50. So the first trade that I took was on SPY. Now, the reason why I entered was actually on the 50-minute time frame. So let's go on the 50-minute time frame. So as you can see, this is Monday or Tuesday, since market opened on Tuesday, since Martin Luther King. We took a nice gain, made $100 that day, $101 to be exact. Then come the next day, we lost $50 this day. Took a nice SPY trade here. Reason being is because we try to catch this nice EMA, 9 EMA retest, plus this nice support here. But guys, you guys can see, after we got a nice push, ends up coming back down and we had to sell for a loss. And you guys saw my contracts earlier, and then this is today. Plus, we try to trade Google here. So Google is around all-time highs. This is all-time high break above 202. I try to take calls on Wednesday, the day after all-time highs, and try to continue on. I try to take the little dip here, saw a nice gain, and then again, pull back. Guys, it's totally fine. It is what it is. When you get a pullback to your stop loss, just hold your trade plan and I promise you'll be fine. So boom. That's the trades I took yesterday, as I showed you guys my contracts. Plus the third trade was just a $11 loss. You can do the math. I tried to take puts here, but instead it pumped and we sold, and it ended up doing the thing. And so those were the 2 trades I took yesterday, or 3 trades I took yesterday, which were in L. So here's my P&L for the day. I decided to do this. I saw somebody on YouTube, so shout out to, I forget his freaking name, but man, he's such a good trader. This is to be transparent right here. You guys can see my P&L. Yes, this is a live account, real account, and down $8 at least so far. So see what else we can catch. If we see anything, I'm gonna work on the side a little bit and I will just have alerts set. I won't even lie, guys, AMB is kind of calling my name again for a re-entry. Contracts are literally at our entry at 293 a piece on my other screen. Now the only issue is, look at the volume though. The volume is basically dying here, so it's really kind of just dead. SPY is doing a nice little breakout of this little bit of a flag. Same thing with ES2. Oh, I forgot to show myself entering, but I literally just entered right now at 10 a.m. 4 hour just closed across the whole board. Now SPY looks very bullish here. This one will be my last trade on the day, to be honest. Don't really plan on trading anything else. Going in again on the same exact contracts, except I have a $3 difference. I'm in it for a little bit $3. I'm in it for $3 more expensive. Last time I got in for $293, now these are for $296. There it goes. Just hit my alert, which is a $2.50 stop loss if I exit here, which is not bad at all. So just get out of the bid, to be honest. $11 L today. Got out pretty decent contract area, and that's pretty much it, guys. Honestly, market is looking pretty crazy here on the hourly and 30 minutes. I mean, it can easily just reject here for the whole day, so you gotta be very mindful of that. But honestly, we're just gonna end it there. Let's go over to our P&L and show you guys what had happened. We're just gonna end it there. 2 trades on the day. That's it, guys. We just entered. We tried to enter for $600 here, and then we entered again for another $300 here. Took 2 losses, and that is how we're down $11 on the day. So we're just gonna call it there and yeah, wrap it up. So time is currently 10:46 a.m. If you guys have been enjoying this format, I'm gonna do it like this probably every single time now, to be very honest. And yeah, guys, so we're just gonna wrap it up there. What I've been doing lately, like I said, lately in these past vlogs, is just trading next week contracts, guys. It's been helping so much, I'm gonna tell y'all, because on pullbacks like this, the losses are so small. Whereas if I can manage to get in my favorite, the moment it goes in my favorite, guys, I'm gonna hold as best as I can. Best believe that.